Create rainy live wallpaper on Samsung One UI. Lock screen and home screen. Let's get it on your device. Open Galaxy Store. Install Good Lock. Install Wonderland plugin. Create your own moving wallpaper. Create new. Import your image. Add effect. Particle preset. Heavy rain. Save it. Enter any name. Set as wallpaper. Thanks for watching video.